Hey guys, so I've been out driving my go-kart and messing around, driving, drifting, and racing and having fun. But for some reason, my every time I drift to the right, it'll shut the motor off, and it's really bugging me. And I found out that there's an oil sensor in the engine, and for some reason, when you drift to the right, the oil shifts away from the sensor, making it think that there's no oil in it, so it shuts the motor off. And I figured out that there's a wire that you can unplug, and it unplugs the oil sensor where the oil sensor's not on, and you can drift and it won't shut off on you. I'm going to show you that real quick. So if you come down here, there's this little yellow wire right here up by the switch on the Predator 212. And if you unplug this, it's just this little yellow wire. If you unplug that, it'll unplug your oil sensor, making it to where you can then drive and drift and do whatever you want, and hopefully it won't shut off. So that's it. So you guys have a fun time.